In the next part, we are going to see the disadvantage of hard water in domestic use and in industrial use. Disadvantages of hard water in domestic use and in industrial use. In domestic use, like washing, bathing, cooking and drinking. So washing. In this, hard water when used for washing purpose, it does not lather freely with soap because the hard water contained the salts of calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, it may be calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, due to which it does not lather freely. On other hand, it produces a sticky precipitate of calcium and magnesium soap. As we see that hard water, it does not lather freely, so it forms or it produces the sticky precipitate. The formation of such insoluble sticky precipitates continues till all calcium and magnesium salts present in the water are precipitated. So, the formation of insoluble sticky precipitate. So, we get the sticky precipitate till all the calcium and magnesium salt are being precipitated from the water. So, this is a soap C17H35COONa plus H2O. So, it forms a stearic acid, that is C17H35COOH plus NaOH. This stearic acid, it reacts with the soap which gives a lather. Now this causes a wastage of lot of soap which is being used. Moreover, the sticky precipitate adhere on the fabric cloth, giving spots and streaks. So when we see the hard water, when it is used for the washing purpose, what happens? On the clothes there is a spots or the streaks are being there. It is due to the salts which are present in the water. Bathing. Hard water does not lather freely with soap solution, but it produces a sticky scum on the bathtub and body. As we can see, there are scum on the bathtub as well as on the body. Thus, cleansing quality of the soap is depressed and lot of it is wasted. So in bathing, the cleansing quality of the soap is being depressed. So here we can see that this is nothing but the scum which is being present. Third is the cooking. Due to the presence of dissolved hardness producing salt, the boiling point of water is elevated. Means the boiling point of water is being increased because of the salt present in the water. Consequently, more fuel and time are required for cooking. So more fuel and time is required for the cooking. Certain foods such as pulses, beans, peas do not cook soft in hard water. So these foods like the pulses, beans, peas do not cook soft in the hard water. Also, we can see that tea or the coffee prepared in hard water has a unpleasant taste and a muddy looking extract. Moreover, the dissolved salts are deposited as carbonate on the inner walls of the water heating utensils. So here we can see the utensils, and we can see that the carbonates are being deposited here on the inner walls of the water heating utensils. Drinking. Hard water causes bad effect on our digestive system. Moreover, the possibility of forming calcium oxalate crystals in urinary tract is increased. So, as the hard water contains much salt, due to which there is a formation of the calcium oxalate crystals in the urinary tract. So let's look to the industrial part where the hard water, if used, so when it is used in first, like in textile industry, sugar industry, dyeing industry, paper industry, laundry, concrete making, pharmaceutical industry, textile industry. When hard water causes much of the soap used in washing yarn, fabric, etc. to go as waste, because hard water does not produce good quality of leather. So when it is used for textile industry, we say it does not produce a good quality of leather. Moreover, precipitation of calcium and magnesium soaps adhere to the fabric, means whatever the salts like calcium and magnesium, if they are present in the water, they get adhere, means they get stick on the fabric. These fabrics, when dyed later on, do not produce exact shades of color. Iron and manganese salts containing water may cause colored spots on fabric, these by spoiling their beauty. So, if the hard water is used in the textiles, they may cause color spots on this fabric and they may spoil the beauty. Sugar industry. So when hard water is used in sugar industries, water containing the sulfates, nitrates, alkali, carbonates, etc. if used in sugar refining, it causes difficulty in the crystallization of sugar. So we can see there is not a proper crystallization of the sugar takes place. Moreover, the sugar so produced may be deliquescent, means it is an hygroscopic. It catches the moisture, it absorbs the moisture, due to which there is a formation of lumps of the sugar, as well as the color of the sugar get yellowish when hard water is used in the sugar industry. Dyeing industry. The dissolved calcium, magnesium and iron salt in hard water may react with the costly dyes, forming undesirable precipitate which yield impure shades and gives spots on the fabric which is being dyed. So here we can see when it is dyed, it does not give the proper shade. So here there may be the spots, there may be the shades which may be different. In dyeing industry, if the hard water is used, it forms an undesirable precipitate due to which there is a impure shades and it gives the spots on the fabric. Paper industry. Now, calcium and magnesium salts tend to react with the chemicals and other materials employed to provide a smooth and glossy finish to paper. Now, moreover, iron salt may affect the color of the paper which is being produced. So, we see the color of the paper is being yellowish in color. It is because of the iron salt which is being present in the water. Laundry. Now, hard water, if used in laundry, causes much of the soap used in washing to go as waste. Iron salt may even cause coloration of the clothes. Coloration means there may be the shades form in the clothes. Next comes is the concrete making. Water containing the chlorides and sulfate, if used for concrete making, affects the hydration of cement and final strength of hardened concrete. Pharmaceutical industry. Now, hard water, if used for preparing pharmaceuticals product like drugs, injection, ointments, etc., may produce certain undesirable product in them. If the salts are present in the water and if we use that hard water for the pharmaceutical purpose, then the composition may get changed, or we can say we get an undesirable product in them. Thank you.